That's Brad Badal. Okay, he doesn't look like a savory character to begin with, and so there have been the allegations from the beginning by Cristin Badal that Brad Badal was abusive. And so look what's written in that article. Brad Badal, quote, not a criminal, not a wife beater. That is what his claims have been through his counsel, that he's not a criminal and that he's not a wife beater. That's stated in that article. You go down a little bit more. And Cliff Colgan, who was the expert, okay, that they hired to say that all these bad things were done by Cristin Badal, that she was an alcoholic, she was a drunk. This guy is not a doctor. Now, you go down here to the Brain Injury Consulting, and Gregory Hipkins, the doctor, MD, PhD, who works with, and Jill could speak about this in a moment, the Foundation for the Child Victims of the Family Courts, doing brain scans and showing the trauma related to brain scans. And he basically says, nuclear brain scan SPECT imaging suggests objective evidence of organic brain damage resulting based on current information, more probably than not from an altercation in her previous domestic arrangement. What does that read to me? In good faith, I say, I think this guy beat the shit out of her. I don't think she's an alcoholic, a cocaine addict. She's the victim of abuse. Go down further, and we have pictures. Go down further, we have pictures of the abuse. That doesn't happen by accident. We have a picture of Cristin Badal's head split open because of the abuse. This man threw hatchets at her. This man is an evil bastard, okay? And he's lucky he's in the courts and he's not in the pavement someplace, because this shit should not happen, where he's hijacked the courts. Pieces of crap like Peter Bogart, who has a political relationship with the wife and Badal, that have allowed this abuse to be perpetuated and institutionalized. It's a disgrace. My hope is that we will get justice here. And my hope is that some of these people who are knowingly complicit in this cover-up and this court fraud and this corruption are walked out in bracelets, hopefully by Alina Holla, the new New Jersey U.S. attorney, the